Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your appliances yourself. Today we will talk about what to do if you're struggling with a Bosch washing machine child lock problem. The child lock function helps you prevent any accidental operation of your appliance, usually by children. It will also prevent the door from being opened and the control panel from functioning. So if you need to know how to turn off the child lock on a Bosch washing machine, or how to turn it on, this video is for you. You can tell that a washing machine has its child lock on by looking at the control panel. It will typically have a lock icon on the LCD display or a glowing indicator light. The way to turn this function on and off will vary depending on the model of the appliance. For this Bosch washing machine, to activate the child lock you will need to press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. And you should hear a beep. As you can see, I can no longer activate any of the function buttons, and the key symbol shows. Then to turn the child lock off, again you just hold the same button for 3 to 5 seconds. And as you can see, it's now disabled. Following these steps, you should be able to either engage or disengage your Bosch washing machine child lock with no problem. However, this is just one aspect of washing machine safety. Over on the eSpares channel, we also have a dedicated video about all other washer safety tips you need to keep in mind. Be sure to watch it here. Our YouTube channel has hundreds of videos dedicated to helping you repair and maintain your appliance, so be sure to subscribe for regular updates. Thanks for watching.